Hi there! Thank you for joining in again on ChopChopChef, and today you and me, we will do a beautiful summer salad. Right? Everybody likes it. In my part of the world it's very hot at the moment, so something nice and refreshing. Today I like to show you a baby spinach salad with a twist. What a twist is, I'm doing a sour cream and mango dressing with some char grilled vegetable. You like it? You stay on board. If not, you have to watch next week. Alright, first thing first, let's go out on the barbecue and grill those beautiful vegetables: beetroot, red onion and pumpkin. Let's go. Okay, now we're outside on the barbecue and we're putting our beautiful vegetable on the grill, right? So we want to have it a nice cooked here, beautiful pumpkin and our beetroot. The beetroot I pre-blanched already. Yeah, sizzling nicely along. That's what we like to hear, right? One more beetroot. And now the red onions, the same thing. Let's put them here on the side. Okay, now this one we grill very softly on the barbecue. We leave it open, yeah, and we see us inside in the kitchen when it is nicely cooked, right? So you will see this one. I mean, it's not quite ready. Has done a nice, beautiful marks here, as you can see, nicely done, yeah. But obviously it is not ready cooked, so needs much more time. All right, so in 10 minutes we regroup. Okay, everyone, now we char grilled our vegetable, as you have seen on the barbecue, right? So that's what we want to achieve, this nice charcoal, right? You see here, this onions, beautiful pumpkin. But I mean, these pieces are too big for a salad, so very quickly we just slice it a little bit down, yeah? Just not too much. So the beetroot, yeah, however you really want it, you know, I just cut it in a little bit sort of triangle later on for the presentation, right? So maybe a little bit more, obviously. Yeah. So this is a nice charred one here, beautiful, you see? You can call it burned, yes, nothing wrong with that. Yeah. So like that. Okay, we put that on the side. And the onions, have a look at this, yeah? That's what I like, yeah? But we leave them like this later on, yeah? Beautiful. The onions, when you cut them in these segments, make sure you keep them always intact on the base, right? So don't cut the core of the onion, yeah? So this one we leave as it is, beautiful, for the presentation. And then have a look at our pumpkin as well, nicely charred. Yeah, I keep the skin on, yeah, and there we just cut as well, just a little bit sort of pieces later on in the salad. When we blend it all in, it looks all nice, and at the same time it gives a distinct flavor, right? That's the difference, what we want, yeah. All right. Okay, let's mix the salad. Okay, next step in our summer salad is the dressing. Remember what I said to you before? We're doing a mango and sour cream salad dressing. Let's come and have a look. All right. So first, of course, as we said, sour cream, right? All right. So let's put, and with the dressing, we don't want to be too shy. We need a decent amount. And yes, mango, this is a beautiful freshly mango pulp. I just did this morning from our own mangoes. We have the mango season here. It's just amazing. Have a look, right? So that. Now, again, in here already, we're putting a half a spoon of chia seeds. Everybody knows what chia seeds is, so I'm not waffling on about this one. And then we give it a little bit of white balsamic vinegar, just a few drops, right? So like that, beautiful, yeah. And we mix this one just nicely, yeah, to a sort of semi-runny consistency. And now you're wondering what he's planning, how the salad goes in here. But watch that space, everybody, watch that space. Okay, have a look at this one. This looks already very inviting. And the smells obviously with the mango, right? Oh my God. But we have to give it a taste. Okay. Put a little bit on a spoon here. And that's what we want. Not more, not less. Beautiful. Okay. To our presentation. Now here it is. Yeah. When we do this one, we have to think, right? Today I do the dressing on the side so the customer then can mix it in it. Yeah. So very simple. We're having a plate here, obviously, everybody sees this one. And we're giving a big dollop of dressing on here. So this is easy. We're taking the magic spoon, and now the camera comes closely. So with the base, we swirl it around. So I've showed you this a few times, right? So make the gimmick in slow motion. So that's what we want, right? All right. So we got this one sorted. Very good. Let's keep that on the side. For our spinach salad, now in here we're putting now mainly our pumpkins, right? Beetroot, and no, not the onions. In that salad here, in the leaves from the baby spinach, we just put a few drops of extra virgin olive oil just to make the salad look shiny, right? That's all what we want to achieve here, not too much. And we're cracking here a little bit of cracked pepper on it. And from our molten sea salt. Yes. And then we mix this nicely together. So we want to just achieve the shininess of the leaves, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Okay, we want to have everything in the bowl really, right? Not on the side, but it's okay. It happens to the best in our industry. Okay, now we're taking our plate and putting the salad smack here. With, of course, quite a bit of our, how can I say, with our roasted vegetable. And keep it a little bit combined together, right? So that's very important. Not that it goes all over our dressing. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we are not there yet, ladies and gentlemen. There's more to come. Okay, that's the base, right? And now we're placing our charred onions, however they fall, right? So don't be too picky on this one. Yeah, we maybe break up a few leaves here and there. Okay, like that, like that. And then, obviously, we need a little bit protein. So today I have done turkey shavings. Yeah, so the turkey shavings going on here as well. They give a little bit of a difference on color contrast as well. So beautiful, beautiful. I know there's lots of little steps what we're doing, but that's the gimmick on it. Yeah. Then one moment. Because we're having it as a mango dressing, we want to put some mango pieces on here as well, right? So we just cut a little bit of the mango, which I had here earlier on for my pulp. Yeah. So this one, just a few pieces. Obviously, give this in this dressing, like this. Very good, right? Now, no, it's not all. And like everybody does it these days, right? So we have these edible flowers. Yes, they give as well a nice touch to it. So we got this one, and we're putting a little bit of a mint as well here. Ladies and gentlemen, nearly there. This one so far, spinach, sour cream and mango dressing, right? With a little bit of turkey shavings. On the end, I always like to put a few more drops of olive oil over it. Very good. And the ChopChopChef version of a beautiful summer spinach salad with turkey shavings and a mango and sour cream dressing. Here we go for you to enjoy.